Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. Did you know you can turn a scarf into a really cool charm necklace? Let me show you how to do it. You're going to start with a large square scarf. This one is 28 inches square. Fold it in half diagonally and then roll it up so that the pointy end is at the bottom. And this will help you mark the center point so you know where to start adding your charms. Now it's time to add ribbon to create the little segments that are going to hold the charms. So also look at the beads and charms and excess mismatched jewelry that you have, and cut each piece of ribbon about 6 inches. I cut these a little short. 6 inches worked better. You can even leave them long and trim them at the end later. As you tie on each segment, add a jump ring. I use 10mm jump rings. So here I have each segment with the ribbon with a jump ring on each one. And then you're going to go through and find all of the charms, jewelry pieces, things that can be turned into charms, and you're going to create a little hook on them. Some of them you may need to drill a hole. Other ones, if they're earrings, you could just add jump rings. Now when you go to open and close your jump ring, use needle nose pliers or flat nose pliers, and you're going to open the jump ring front to center, put on your charm, hook it on to the jump ring that is on the necklace, and then close it back to front, okay? And here I counted the segments, and I had 9 ribbons and 10 charms, so I simply just added another ribbon at the end so I could fit all of these charms on there. Again, before you start adding these, set them out flat on the table and see if you like it. So again, it looks really nice if you have the bigger ones in the middle and then have them smaller as they go out to the side. It's called balance. After that, flip it around and trim off any of the excess ribbons. Make sure all of the jump rings are closed nice and even. And to put it on, all you're going to do is tie it around your neck at whatever length that you want. And you know what I love about this project is that if you decide you want the scarf, you can just take everything off and then you have your scarf again. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like this project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas. Oh, I love this necklace. Let me know if you try it.